Oh, oh, no. As I met your mind, yes, I mean, you couldn't be had it. But your mind, you didn't cross out the engineer. Oh, but your mind, now why do you ready? And to my account, I make your man, why do you ready? They caught today, you sang. I meet you, say, but you say, and I know when you're in a Western, we are turning. There was a day. We are turning. You are from tomorrow. You're turning. We interpret that. What's it? Now, what you don't have spirit. You can't touch it. The other, I have top case now, but today's case is too much. Okay. Your night is spiritual matters. Okay, cancel. Look ahead. Cancel. Please. Your Honor, I have somewhere very important to go. No, wait. I suppose somewhere. Where? My colleague, you must understand. Your Honor has changed court clerk. Your Honor, please indicate him. Okay, there is a Chinese code that Shen Guang 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 Shen Shen Hen, meaning a nebe. So. Liao, si Lili, Kente, si la ho, Makate, si la how me. Si la Kente, la mine. Tell me what to do. Si la Kente, I say, Yamadia. China, you must have been quite intense. That you want to China, you tell them, I sit here. Maybe I come from my Zuma. Yes, Yamadia Makoto. Wait. What is it? You know, it's a no. In the Kente. Council. Yes, stay. Yes, I'm very interested because it's right now. Order. Let's look at the French 50 right now. All right, gentlemen. Your Honor, stand this way for me. May you down, Your Honor. Counsel. Go. May you down. But you can see it, so it's such a thing. I have done anything. Your Honor, I said people are the time. Courtroom hanging, Nipo guy, pa, me, Adam, air. If you are not Casau, the course is now better than the simple. Then, what did you add in my bed? I'm go baby, I do not to any brain, my case. This woman was talking about she traveling and she saw a quote. But this quote, I have this quote for a long time. I have this Kente quote for a long time. So how come you send me to court that I stole a Kente from a shrine? No. Can we now proceed with it? Now, please. I don't get it. Tell us. I don't get it. So what do we do to the interpreter? No. Think of it, Jonah. Were you speaking Chinese? Not Chinese. What is Chinese? Let's about only the mood of Jonah. You can let it rest. Yes. Or bringing the home, you said, me continue. It's too kind. And I'm the call, send your guys or explore, me explore. I bought this Kente goods from a different. Where did you buy it from? Now I have a better name. Oh, we didn't take you out to the streets. No, I buy it from the streets. So I don't know what they are talking about. First of all, where are you from? I'm from China. You are from China? Yeah. And where are you staying? Hey. Huh? Where are you staying? Your Honor, I stay in Ghana. No, China, Nina, or country, a more pizza. Say Chinese. Okay, let me do this. Chinese. Or be what to say. What can I say? Former Google or Chinese are progress. I just said. China, China are progress. I just said. China, hey! Hong Kong. China, no, China now. Let me to Hong Kong. Hong Kong, there were Beijing, and I said there were. Wait. There were Japan. Wait. Now we're Chinese. Wait, now I told you wait, I make a China. Hey, I'm not there. Walk back. There is a Chinese food. There is a Chinese food. Guangzhou Fushan. That's a bit of soup that I'm that's a part. That's where you now, what's in the country? I mean, Council, do this for me. Let's go. You have more questions? Yes, we know where he stands. So quickly, tell us. You said you bought it on the street from. Yeah, from Abuchi man. From Abuchi? Yeah. Okay. So have you ever seen this woman? Have you ever seen her before? I don't think so. Beautiful. And do you know the town called Kontonchi? I don't think so. Have you been there before? I don't think so. So you have never met any of these people before in your life? I don't think so. So is this cloth for you? I don't think so. But for this one, I think so. Yes, I do. I own this clothes. Nobody can own this clothes. I own it. So we can say that you are a bona fide purchaser. What are you trying to do? I'm trying to say that you bought this without notice. You don't know baby free. What the auto street? What you came now told you about if you guys is going to be back. That's it. So I don't care. So clearly, like I said, he's a bona fide purchaser without notice. He bought this. Without knowing where it is from. Okay. An innocent buyer. So you're right, and he paid a considerable amount for it, which means it is for him. No. Cancel. Let's not do for these people. Let's not do for these people. Where was he going? Your Honor. Yes. I just want to know whether I'm done. No, you're not done. You are not done. Order. Thank you. You are not done. So what kind of cry? Nyakupon do ukwechi. No, I speak tea. Yeah. What kind of cry? Nyakupon or do ukwechi. Yeah. Now, many do say, okay, what kind of cry? Say, ufri atonsu, me boana me boana. Yeah. Atonsu Kuwait. Yeah. Many of them, me bacho. Atonsu Kuwait, you know. Mami be or your penny. Atna area, move up there. Atna atonsu Kuwait. I want to be what here. Thank you. Me bacho. Abranti say what kind of cry? I train Nyakupon. Say kind of cry, me tell bacho. Unim mami abro what way. Kind of cry. Na Nyakupon unsa what. Abroada. O say abroa. One eye. Abroa. Munyana no. Eh, o collapse o. Ma tam na mo ka. Ba sorry bra. Abanti ani so to abi e wo Kuwait. Haya. Nyokwa mtume. Awo mia. Awo. Oni. Oh, obe mia na me say bia mi. Obe mia. Obe o ba jo be. You wanna let it be. Me ba jo be kakra ma me ba ma. Oh, na die. Ade na e ba so. Tasa na die bibi be. Oh, we good. O kan no kre pa. Oni no won. Oh, kan no kre no. I want him away. Mama, now come. Eh? Me dey do. I ran a police case at the police case bit be am do dey ji. What do you mean away? Minimum nyam ma me no. Ayo na obi dey ade ma obi o. What say? Obi nyina ade na obi say onye na ade na koso no. E wa say me ngin kita na me say that be minti. Oh, dey kuta ma na nya. Aha, onim say ye nyina. Mu nyina mo ye den. Aha. Munya ma ye den. Awo e ko e chiri na jitum da gwi. Your Honor, obisa bibi ku ache na e ku achiri. Tizeri for boys ibio. Ha wa shi bibi. Ma me wa unim me wa na ade ntuma ebrem. E nso ye ho se de onim.
Thank you very much. Your Honor, if you watch the whole thing, the young man is speaking. Obahima, you see yourself. He said that at the end of a question, that means from the look of things, it is Obahima who give this one to him, true or false? Your Honor, we will let our case. You don't think so? Yeah. We will let but what do you think so?
Objection, my lord.
You think she give to you? Your Honor, we will let our case.
My name is Lawyer Nuruddin.
Yes.
I'm traditional lawyer.
Yes.
So when I'm coming,
yes,
we do everything. Oh, wow, this kente, you will find it. And now see what is happening. Those who called one lawyers, they couldn't see anything.
So you are solving the case. You have done spiritual things.
Yes.
Okay, so now, counsel, you have some questions for them?
We are finding it.
Hold on.
Yes.
Oh.
What oh?
Nanaima, yeah, Baho, and pray won't say I don't know. Hold on. Not yet.
Let him talk. If you ask
she can't talk. The lawyer can have an objection. She can't talk.
Okay.
Counsel.
Your Honor, you see that anytime I want to talk, then some people will interrupt.
Yes.
But if I say something, they will think it's for them. Little drop of water
make a mighty ocean.
No.
Obahima, the way you take the kente club, where we have ballot box down now.
Why?
Whoa. Who we have ballot box down?
Objection, my lord.
Relevance, counsel.
Obahima, wako akonda na.
Relevance.
Because she looked like Langard with bullets by her side.
Retract and move on to your question.
The bullets?
No.
Bullet, like, okay. I'll take a shot of you, okay? You, now you speak Tree a lot. You speak English. You stay at Kuwait, at Tosu.
No.
You ever true go to China?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Sister, please come. Yes, now you are the only China woman. Come. Don't worry. China people, you are fearless. Oh, enyawo. Please, you two, come. Please put your hands together for Lee Kum Yang.
Ming Tang Fu.
Please, you go and stand in the casket. Anybody who come here can be there. You do. It's not only Galamsey you people are here to do. You do. Your Honor, give him mic.
Please, they don't speak any.
Where is the microphone?
They don't speak any language. I interpret for
So give him the mic.
Mike. Yeah, please. Yeah, go on.
Where are you from?
Ni hao Yanshin.
Counsel.
I'm from Japan.
Apostle.
But still,
I'm telling you.
Your Honor.
Japan, South Korea, North Korea, China, Taiwan, you are one.
Asia. All Asia.
If you are not one, can you do this? You do this? Yeah. Why you people, everything that we have, you do imitate for us. You everything, clothes, you can do some. Tell us why. You are very industrious.
Oh, you can talk in your language. I will interpret.
No.
You say, tell the court. Tell
No.
us.
Oh,
You
I can
produce
interpret.
A lot of,
Thank you.
a lot of fabrics.
Sir.
Tell us why your industry it go far. Every country you have something there. Tell us.
Your Honor, I was saying the way you're cry.
I'm laughing to you.
Yeah. I was also you.
Council, step this way so I can.
I was saying the way you're
Step this way.
Be careful.
Council,
Please listen to your.
what is your name?
Please speak in there.
Lisako.
Lisa, do you hear what he's saying? Do you understand it? A little. So
Bro,
make it as simple as possible and
Help me.
quick,
Help me.
as quick as possible.
Japan, you produce fabric, true or false?
True.
True. You produce African fabric?
No.
You don't produce African fabric.
Yeah, maybe no.
So any African artifact or artwork or anything that we see there come from Africa, true or false?
True.
Good. So it is possible that somebody can steal something from Africa and bring it to Japan, true or false? Say it. True.
True.
After today, you will know that something is here. Thank you for clarifying everything for us. God bless China. Did you qualify for the World Cup?
Japan, yes.
Japan, did you qualify for World Cup?
Yes.
World Cup. USA, Canada, Mexico.
Yes.
You go and play football at the World Cup?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Somebody can steal something from Africa and bring it to Japan. True or false? Say it. True.
True.
After today, you will know that something is here. Thank you for clarifying everything for us. God bless China. Did you qualify for the World Cup?
Japan, yes.
Japan, did you qualify for World Cup?
Yes.
World Cup 2016. If like the light go off, unless next week. But now that they come back again, the reset is working. Next time, you will see. So it means that this cloth, particular cloth, since you know this woman, you come together and you send it abroad. True or false?
I don't think so.
You would think so.
Because uni mami yen just nenya simple.
Yen chaso eba ni say ne copy abroad or catch.
Awo ubeya na mafi machichi.
Awo.
Yes.
Mami musu asem. Eya na me pese nyoma ne ye ntiatia. Baby eduru no. Prison da bebetima bem. Ba ye kan no kura no na etimi de ye ho bone che ye ho.
Anu kwa na me kanse ka mi ntwa so kura na nka nya sem.
And you back on your crown.
Awo.
Anya ne sa bet.
Abrante o china we unim no.
Makama de best yes, make a chile no. Yes.
Awo. Oh, yeah, Chinese ni.
Debbie.
Obey.
Now you, Your Honor, you see Chinese to be a wolo before. If you see Chinese is obolo, then it's Pepsi adverts they are going to. Woman, do you know Yokozuna?
Yokozuna.
Okay, back to it. Mommy. Ayoba. Onye Chinese name.
How is a woman? You're not unim. Young Chanitia, many for from home.
Mommy. Oh!
Now they are all on your side.
Mommy. Yeah, send me a mouth. No, Mommy, what's the price? Also, then now can be good saying.
Price room.
Today.
I can many for from home. Nanka Minton.
Senator.
Yenny, why no beer ye? Rona. Ubenya brand new Tierra back.
Cratch, 1 or 2. One no quack.
I ran to Bra.
A mamma money and the account was some. Ubenya for Framae. Nasan minute to 1 1. Wouldn't it mean none more fra? A son and I may be
Obama. I'm seeing a enterprise and what here.
How much was it selling for?
What I say?
How much? How much?
2.5 million.
So what?
Just look at the money.
Sikana wobo na betimi atontoma we. Ha. Ya mamra eni ya manie. Aya nananom. Abatu ho ma ye no. Bibia ni wiase. Ebetimi aso. Ya nananom. Ya nananom ma.
Na mtema nanu si.
Ya nananom ma ncheli wo Dubai da na ade tina wo.
Esia cho kwan. Okwan atwa asuo
Me ma dibem
opanyin ne hwan ye bo okwan yi koto asuo yi fritete na nanom adma koma mampo kontonchi
okam ye ti asemo
abo hia kuma na ne ye
That is the woman.
mampo kontonchi amamira ne amane ne eda na die no ye tu yefo ye na nanom abre ye wedi ani e de moja gu fom apeja pade kase dia mami no mienu
na sika wo
ni na free yensa
ye todi
ni na free yensa
ye todi ye num ye ya
kenta kase ya nananom ye ma ye edin na yira edin ni bi ne se fatia fatankroma enkwada wada ndua gududu osai enanim ntoma ye ka ho asem
obi amfa fatia ho
ye nananom apagudi agu ye dam nanso de na ye bedie nti
ye kwa chiri wo Dubai a wo se fatia
ne ye ka ni na ne se ejapade bi aya nananom di gya ye tumi wom
ye hwe ni ye
mum ye hwe ni ye na ye mmɔ ho ban na nyi yare dom ɔhaw ne abebrese enkwada na enne ahita ye su nyina afiri ye nananom anam wo mutu yi a yamfa ni die amfa amomo mampo kontonchi ose ye ose ye nananom ya damwasio
what will you use?
Maybe
Your Honor, you don't have anything.
Maybe Adrian, no.
Your Honor,
Maybe Adrian, no.
Your Honor,
Your Honor, Your Honor.
is this not the time where the dwarf will disappear?
Your Honor, 24 says,
Okay.
this one. You're too tired and from Muda. So,
Your Honor.
Order.
Your Honor, one more thing. Na misika ne.
Sikabe.
Oh, enyimi o. There be no kura there.
Enyimi. Na case no who ni say.
Na be dem fa mu case ho be.
1.25 $2.5 million yaje e ne guoro me senti awoka.
Metim be na ko fa me ba se me interpret ba.
Shin na be.
Order. Okay, this is the point where, in the end, so be a bonia. Yankase, I didn't hear any who enti Jana Manako.
I will frame.
I was a Sochian, a Sefatano.
I will frame.
I will maybe
The two of you, Mummy and Mumejana say.
including their lawyers.
Mummy and Mumejana say, Mammy.
Yana.
Everyone, Babby and Monko.
O si mi o.
Oh no, mommy, I say, only 1 million.
Abra say, Mammy. Blah, when you got
I can't 4 months, and then 100. I can't 4 months. And then we got
okay, they are done, yeah, no.
yeah.
Me, Peniaso. It will say,
Your Honor,
Who about to the blow?
I beg you before you say anything. Somebody say, Utiswa. The tone, why long time you don't give this problem that we are coming to end and you bring this problem? What do you mean by Utiswa? The tone,
Send Adano, yeah, no, Sunyano. Or before from Rabbi Bua Ateno. Doctor, me pacho. Becho Masumae. Yamas and one share, doctor.
What I say? Minya Dubai trip bia.
What's that? Let me present for China.
Microphone.
Then they banana flag.
Oh, boy.
No,
Au revoir.
Happy and rapid.
I could presume that.
Oh, daddy.
Order. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for your rapt attention. So last year, around the same time, you share our here CCB auditorium and our Ashanti Fest 2025, the year Jesus versus Judas. If we are saying, oh yeah, Adebia for 21 days, it becomes your character or your second nature. A free Ashanti Fest 2025, I remember clearly CCB auditorium here, almost Akwaba versus Obake. Sunyane, Mosa Akwaba versus Obake. Ashanti Fest 2026, and I'm the Kente Ho Asem and Abre. I was in a moment with some Cassia and Fama Union. So, what it tells us all, you say, Kumawood, Kejetia versus Makola, any young creatives, no, for the past 1 year, you have been consistent. Today, you say, the all fruit you are playing piano. This is one more fruit you are playing. I want to assure you on behalf of His Excellency the President, say, Piano was your piano. We will push you for you to be able to bring this to us. Oba hey. So what dream be kura me sure so be do fie no. Na ya. First ana Saturday anumre bia yehu Keystone concert party. Yehu cantata, yehu by the fireside, yehu Kumawood movies. Ewo your screens so no. Na enema omo ye no ye niema it preach unity, loyalty to state. See ebenya ahofama ediamo oman no santiman ni onuado ewo yentem. Saade ni free wa enei ye hwe obroni de ne obi hofro de no. Ana mantetimu papa mu nanti twitwa bebre aba. Enti ebese ye kan yesu bio say Kumawood is back again.
Yes.
Dramalogue is here to stay. And we love the collaboration. Before our performance, I saw a group from Sunyane, that is Earth Dreams Entertainment, performing fantastically here on this very platform. We are in for all progressive forms of partnerships in making sure, say, the local movie industry. Two things, and I see what you call for me now, Sagranti one, Mama Kobino. Moshe Yang Kugu Ashanti Dia, I had the worst of defeat in the history of Ashanti Kingdom. It took Omwahu to betray the kingdom and sell our information to the British for them to be able to defeat us. Yamami, on one, I say, no. What it is so was it Udono, was it the Papa Bua? So what it means, you say, so be Ebenyawa na Abu Bekawa and to Manway, so be Tino. Nea Quacofa, Nia Saba Betna, a Chidewaha, as a dear dance with whom Yatosumi, say, Yam Mamreni, Yam Manie, but if was say, Urefi Ukrum, Hene Abeya, when you are Bedas. You move and then because of exposure to the global world, no, you say before Mbu. You just say be abrofubi na yama before everybody in your team. We are one people with one destiny under the Republic of Ghana in Africa, and we must take charge of our future in making sure, say, we redefine Africa, we redefine Ghana. So we want to ask everyone gathered here, say, Yanka ya humum ni mbodi asantemai ni mbodi Ghana. Ye yene sa ana oman no ebekọ animu. Edi boni a maye idie ye de chemo nye yie.
Yeah. A report for you. I got it from the Kumasi and the Accra Metro. They say, good evening, Ghana. Good evening.
Good evening, Uncle.
Yo. But before you go, you mentioned that first we have concert party and all those stuff. We are privileged to have one of the longest serving concert party people in our midst. Mr. Beautiful.
Put your hands together for Mr. Beautiful. Mr. Beautiful, join us here. Mr. Beautiful, no be a show.
He comes with one.
Put your hands together for him as he comes upstage. Our legends, our movie industry, any creative industry back on no. Kumawood for na momra upstage. Let us recognize them. Pusha, and I know Pusha, no. Wow. Put your hands together for them once again. Great. Help him up here. So together, we would be able to revive the industry. Again, we have seen a lot of concerns on most of the platforms. Moshe Nimun said, you invite Afufrobi, no and all that. I want to assure you, see, who all those concerns. After Ashanti Fest 2026 Dramalogue, Kumawood border yati wa mono mene o mashia. Makati wa mo say adanse enti ne kum sonkron so aye dai. Ye hu ahwe. Enti de me mane ne fon ko nko a, me mane nya no nko a. Se letter kura o mon type. Se abofo kura o montu. Ne yen wase ye betima kan ho abom. Ne ye kan ho bom so ne na menim se beboa na de asantema akọ nanim na de Ghana so akọ nanim. Etimi nuanom moboni nka me hu ye na ka me mfa nchemo. Enso so ase makume ba from. As makume ba from. Matisi ye be say nya another court hearing. Your program e ba so. Etimi de be ma push ane ne mpalifo no maka. Ebi amokosa court na ya appeal court na mko dibi mo a. Na no de achemo. Edi pusha monye mic na monka mo program no asem kakra nchira audience no.
Honorable, I hear Metu Bobo. Ezu. So, when you say me colors, I don't know. I can never turn away from my colors. Honorable, ye na ye hudia oye wa santimemu. Adia ba kope ene ebetum aye de aboa no. Se wo hu bebe wuti bebe na wonte ase a ne do no we bie ne kakra. Tem amukam krom kasa tem bia pede hunim. Ebotum akọ na enyina kedin kita ho. Yen actors wa fa hede ne nuanom. Already ne nuanom for long time. But bana oza bakaniema. Intimisra one. Kumasi. This is the first time yenya minister oye visible. Ebohun tempia pede hunibiano. Ebohun. Wome yenjina dam opportunity no do. Na yemfem peja asanteman. Na asanteman ondum pempendra nyankopon pede odu. Otie bien. Wohu I told you so waha. Nyame yadoma next week 11th and 12th. I told you so. Ya no Kumasi. Ya no one cran. Ya call Takradi. Ya been there. Be 2 shows. Ye entum. No, they ye 3 because Nipan Bayana Wabrodo. Yazribo Kumasi. Ye Kumasi Fima. Ya one was so. Na Sasu Wenyim. Until next week. I told you so group. You were the same auditorium. First show. 4 p.m. 11th. And a second show here 8 p.m. Sunday, Obasanso is 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. Inti fifi koma na oshishade no owaha inti medaka sembaman na waka mo shishano mo. Thank you.
My show paper one treshi. I church and treshi you. 10 years ago, see a show. Azegro, I manage say Mabeto Minya Bawa. Na me man bribes and Konya told you so be but one j. And I made that 2 waha. In top of next week, Yabaha, what can be? So why you to? Next week, I must say, we are, if I call Profit we are celebrating Bob Cole and celebrating concert parties and our stories that used to be that we no longer tell. Ne eyede ye hwe sika sunsumu ni ahweka nananom ni ahwe shushan boy ne keka on nyina. We're happy about those stories. But ene ye bokrapo bi nkai obi oye bi ni ade. Nti ye di fi I told you so. Said the minia penyen kan ye no ye koye na ya ma o masa to nkra frɛ say May 1st. Workers the workers holiday. Yes, I may be more crap. Many book say, almost I told us say maybe. And a year what I cried, Omuji a penny, but say I found Makumas, I said your kind and I tell you, baby. Say Ghana, and Makumasia, they drew baby. Tia dia Buffy. Yade said, and say, Wuko, Bubia, my name, and say, yes, somewhere 11th and 12th. Our demo here, I told you so. Yade Jeduble Ambule Eba. Freda Mugi Eba, Dickness Abokuma Eba, Annie Inufojo Eba, Oluwe Eba, Adita now had a push our lawyer Clemento, and I have friend Clemento. Lawyer Papa Lawyer Papa Pa Ojina Mubi, Mr. Beautiful, and I mentioned it for me. And my now O2. Yes, someone Mumba you Muka can go good. Yadasi, Adiasa. Thank you very much.
All right. Please, let's take a bow. Please join us. Please, all of you join us. Please, but not all right, guys.
Let's celebrate our legends for an amazing stage play. The Kente Wahala. Many thanks to our proud sponsors, MTN Ghana, Vena Mineral Water, Abbey Shop, and this has been the Ashanti Dramalogue as part of the Ashanti Festival 2026, organized by the Ashanti Global Festival Heritage in partnership with the Ashanti Regional Coordinating Council under the auspices of Dr. Frank Amwakuni, the Ashanti Regional Minister. If you enjoyed every bit of this great experience, join us tomorrow for the Fashion Week and the runway at the Asokwa Interchange. Echina Asokwa Interchange. And the Fashion Fair and the runway.
We drop on
My name is Nana Osekese. Just call me Mr. Bones, aka Mr. Incredible, SKA Nasei. Legends in the place to be.